Hey, hello everybody, how are you today? Welcome to another video of Adobe Photoshop class number 5. In this video, we will going to learn two tools. One tools is stone pattern tools and the next tools is history brush tools. So what does these tools in Photoshop we are going to learn. So I don't talking here, let's move on. So everybody you see open the Photoshop. So first we need to take a documents, press Ctrl N. Now we select the page size is always A4 and the enter. Okay, you see okay everybody, we are going to learn this clone stamp tools. Okay, so what does clone stamp tool? Before I need 2 or 3 color layer. Okay, so now I take this layer here on this color and the next is this color and the another color we take from here. You see the color plate here, this color. Okay, so 3 color is here. Now we're going to learn clone stamp tool. So clone stamp tool what does, let's see. Click on your keyboard from Alt button and press your left button on your mouse. Okay, and you can draw here. So you see, notice that where 3 color is here. Okay, so I think you got it. These tools what does, and now we are going to next tool. The next tool is pattern stamp tools. Okay, so this pattern color you can maintain from this option. Okay, a lot of option here. You can color and you can increase your size. Okay, change your color. So several option here. Okay, you can draw anything. Okay, I think you got it, these tools. And the next tool is history brush tool. So now let's see what does history brush tools. So history brush tools actually remove your before work. Okay, everything is remove these tools. And the same work is a art history brush tools. It's the same work. Okay. So I think you got it, these tools, and you use these tools. So these tools use are very easy. So I think you got it. So this video is enough for today and we will see a next video. Have a good day.